In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mother and son in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're going to combine two separate photos into a single mother and son image using the Google Gemini app on Windows. You'll be adding one photo, writing a short prompt, quickly attaching a second photo, and then letting Gemini process everything. For best results, use clear, well-lit images that show each person's face straight on, and only use photos you have the right to use. Start by locating the plus sign in your Gemini chat or Compose window. This is the button that lets you attach media. Click it and choose the first photo you want to include. Give the app a moment to upload. You should see a small thumbnail or file indicator appear in the conversation area. If your image is large, that's fine. Just wait for the upload to finish before moving on. Next, click into the message box and type a simple, direct instruction so Gemini knows what to create. Enter. Create a mother and son picture. I will upload two photos. Keeping the wording short and clear helps Gemini understand you're providing two separate source images that should be blended into one scene. Press Enter to send that prompt and immediately attach the second photo using the same plus button. Acting right away helps tie both images to the prompt you just sent, so Gemini treats them as part of one request. Again, wait for the second image to finish uploading. You should now see the prompt along with the two photo thumbnails in the thread. When both images are visibly attached, press Enter again to submit everything for processing. This confirms to Gemini that you're done adding inputs, and it can start generating the combined mother and son picture. Double-check that both images appear in the same message context before you continue. Now, sit tight. This may take a while. Generation time can vary depending on your device and connection speed. Keep the app open and avoid navigating away so the request isn't interrupted. If you see a spinner or progress indicator, that's normal. Let Gemini finish. You'll get the result right in the chat when it's ready. Once the image appears, review the details. If something looks off, like lighting, pose, or alignment, try clearer photos or adjust the wording of your prompt and repeat the same flow. Consistent framing and good lighting make a big difference in realism. That's all you need to create a mother and son picture in the Google Gemini Windows app. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!